Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to move Battle.net games to another drive. So are you running out of space on your main drive but do not want to re-download your massive Battle.net games? No worries, I'm going to show you exactly how to move your Battle.net games to another drive without re-downloading. It's fast and hassle free. So first things first, make sure the Battle.net desktop app is completely closed. Then right click the Battle.net icon in your system tray and select exit to shut it down. All right, so let's get it done. So the next thing to do is to locate your current game installation folder. Now navigate to where your Battle.net games are currently installed. By default, it is usually program files. All right, so let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, so you come here. Now remember, I did not download Battle.net on my device. I'm currently using the web app, but I'm just going to show you this. So just go ahead and click on C colon local dex, move over here, head over to program files and double click and you'll find your Battle.net app from here. So the next thing to do is to just click on Battle.net, or you can just go to the specific folder you chose during installation. Now take the specific game folder you want to move. So once you find Battle.net and you double click, just take the specific game folder that you want to move. For example, it could be World of Warcraft or Call of Duty. Then cut it from the original location. Just, okay, let's say for example, this is it. This is the folder. You can just select the folder and cut. So just go ahead and press on cut. And once you cut it from the original location. Then paste that folder into the new desired location on your other drive. Now you can check for your other drive from here. Once you select the other drive, just paste the folder into the new desired location on the other drive. That's it. Then open the Battle.net app and start installing. Once your game files have been moved, launch the Battle.net app again, go to the game you just moved and hit install. When prompted to choose the installation location, click browse and select the new folder where you moved your game files. Battle.net will detect the existing files in that folder and start a quick scan to verify them instead of downloading the entire game. All right. So this process can take a few minutes depending on the game size and your system speed. Once verification finishes, the install button will switch to play. Click play and enjoy your game from the new drive. No re-download required. So make sure your new drive has enough space for future updates. Avoid interrupting the file move process to prevent corruption. And if you run into any errors, you can always try repairing the game from the Battle.net options menu. And that's it. Moving your Battle.net games to another drive is easy, saves you bandwidth, and frees up your main drive space. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.